every single time I turn around, this Greg Luther is everywhere. Have you caught yourself saying that? Have you seen that I'm on your Facebook page, on your YouTube page, on Google, on YouTube? Why are you not doing the exact same thing as a real estate agent? The number one thing that you struggle with is obscurity. You're great at what you do, but not enough people in your marketplace know what it is that you do, and you've got a marketing issue. So there's no issue with the market, it's an issue with your marketing, and I want to use this as a lesson. What I actually utilize myself to build my own business is what all of our inner circle members use to build their own business. If you want to get your service out there, your product out there, your name out there, what it is that you do, you have to know how to get in front of people. And I want you to take an honest look at how I market to you. If you've been watching me for a long time, how did all of that happen? Because one thing that's going to be very, very surprising for you, and this is very encouraging for you as well, you watching this right now costs less than a penny for me to get it in front of you. It's less than 1 cent to get this in front of people, what they call video views. So if you know how to do this, and you don't have to worry about I don't like how I look on camera, can I just do it as a regular picture ad instead of a video ad? This is how you promote yourself in real estate if you give educational content. Now, a lot of people would say, well, what the heck would I talk about? It is so easy. Here's the 5 tips to sell your home for more money. Here's how a professional walking through your home could possibly sell your home for $10,000 more than it's worth today. Find out exactly how much your home is worth. Learn about all the no money down options that are available in our area. Here's what we do for those that are self-employed, where we can use bank account statements instead of IRS tax returns. All of these ideas you can use. How the Dream Home Finder program works. Do a video about that so you can get a whole lot of people watching it. And once they watch it, Facebook will pixel those leads, and you can send them another video tomorrow. So what happens is every time they're on their newsfeed, again, look at what I'm actually practicing. It makes millions of dollars. So utilize that in your own business. You can do it on a smaller scale if you need to. If you only want to make 200 grand next year, turn it down and do a smaller amount of business from that. But let me know your thoughts about it. Leave a comment here, by the way. I want you to tell me, because there's a couple of things I want to cover for you here, but leave a comment. Do you agree this would get you out in front of more people, and thus the more offers that you make, the more money you make? Would you agree with that? Yes or no? Just leave a comment here. Let me know your thoughts about that, because I think what you'll find is as you put more offers out, of course, if I have 5 fishing poles, I'm going to catch a whole lot more than if I have 1 fishing pole, or worse, no fishing poles at all, right? So what you want to think about is, how can I promote myself to buyers and sellers in my marketplace exactly the way that Greg does to real estate agents, or in this case to you, right? On educational content to help them with what they need. There's so many things you can do to show off how smart you are as a real estate agent, that you can help them with exactly how to find their home if they're a buyer, or sell their home the right way if they're a seller. You can show that you're that professional advisor that can give them the advice that they truly need. So from a marketing perspective, it's easy to do. We actually teach, for those of you that are in Greg Luther Inner Circle, we teach Facebook riches inside that training, and we show you, here's how you create the ad, here's how you do Facebook Lives, here's the best way to get over all of your own issues about how you look on video. Right? Everybody says, oh, I look so fat on video. Well, that's because you're fat, right? I don't care about how I look on video. I've had multiple comments about, you have a nose hair hanging out. Well, yeah, but I also made a couple $1 million off of those videos, right? So you can't worry about that stuff. But what you're fighting is obscurity in your marketplace. And this is how you beat it. I know you're good if you could get to the kitchen table with that client, but that client won't let you meet with them anymore unless they know you, like you, and trust you before the meeting. This is your presentation right here. This is how you give your presentation. Not after you meet them, before you meet them. If you get that part right, and again, you can do this at a very low cost. We're getting video views at about a penny a piece. So think of what that can do in your marketplace if you spend $1. It's very simple to do, but you got to get the training on exactly how that would work. But I want you to step back for a second and think about this. How in the world did I even find Greg Luther? How in the world is he all over my page and everywhere I look? And what would happen to my business if I did exactly the same thing for buyers and sellers in my little 15-mile radius or 30-mile radius? What would happen to my real estate business? And I had no idea it could be done for pennies. This is how you build your business. It's why you need to be involved with Greg Luther Inner Circle or any of the big trainings that we have. It makes a huge difference to your real estate business. We actually have a live training coming up here soon in Orlando where everybody's going to be flying in. They got to be Inner Circle members and they get to attend for free. But this is one of the topics we're going to be covering here. I want you to think about how you can make that happen for yourself, and you will do extremely well as a real estate agent. If you go to, I'm going to give you a website here, getfastclosings.com. If you go there, you'll see a brief training on just building your business and some free ads you can run and that type of thing. It's not going to show you anything about this topic we're covering in this video, but what you'll find, by the way, if you are commenting here, it's going to get you some good information. So you want to make sure you leave a comment. Let me ask, do you agree this can help you in your real estate business? Please say yes on the comments, because it's going to help you if you do that. That's how Facebook algorithm works, and I'm going to show you how that marketing works. So if you think it will help you, make sure that you comment yes here, or any other great factor of what's working for you, that type of thing. I think you'll find that you can get out in the marketplace. They'll know who you are. They'll see a little bit of your personality, how you operate, and there'll be better trust there. You'll be the only one that they're working with, and you're not going to be interviewing against 3 realtors and discount brokers and all that. You are the famous person in their marketplace. So I know this will make a big difference for you. Again, to get a full training on building your business the right way, you're going to get 2 things. You're going to get a training on how to build your business with totally free ads, and you're going to get a blatant sales pitch from me about why you need to join Inner Circle so we can get you making a whole bunch of money. The only reason you watch me is because you want to make money, and the only reason I promote to you is because I want to make money, and if both of us are winning, I think we can agree that's a great deal for both. That's the perfect relationship. So if you go to getfastclosings.com, you'll see a good training on that. But start thinking about, what the heck would you do? You know, I mean, all you've got to do, if you've got a cell phone, which is what I'm using, and here, I'll move it right now, I'll show you. So if you have a cell phone and then you buy one of these little things, this is a little clip I just had it on, and you can make a tripod out of it. I paid $9 for this thing on Amazon. You can go as big as you want in your marketplace. Let's go out and start making some money. Any questions you have, let me know. Otherwise, I'll talk to you soon. You'll probably see another video of me soon, right? We'll talk to you later. Go get famous in your marketplace. Let's sell a bunch of houses. Bye-bye for now. Hey, I hope you enjoyed that video, and we have a lot more information to share with you as well. I want you to do 3 important things so that we can start growing your real estate business immediately. First and foremost, make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel. Now, if you don't have a YouTube account, you can set one up. It's totally free, very easy to do. But you want to subscribe to this YouTube channel, and then make sure you ring the bell. If you ring the bell, you're turning on notifications, so it'll let you know every time we load new videos, and we load new training content for you nearly every single day. Now, additionally, I've got a big bonus for you, because every week I choose one agent that I'm going to do a one-on-one coaching call with. Let me tell you how we choose them. You'll want to comment on this video below, because every week we choose one person from the comments that I'm going to help them in growing their real estate business. So leave a comment below on the video that you just watched. What'd you think about it? Do you like it? Are you trying it? Is it something you're intrigued by or want more information on? Leave a comment below, and we choose someone every single week that I have a one-on-one coaching call with. So 3 important things. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, ring the bell to get notifications, and then leave a comment on this video below. We'll plan on seeing you soon.